Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to update your iPhone. First, open Settings. Here, you will see an option for General. Tap on General. Under General, you will see several options. Tap on Software Update. On this screen, you will see an option for Download and Install. Tap on Download and Install. Before it proceeds, you need to enter your passcode. And now wait for the download to finish. Once finished, tap on Install Now. That's how you update your iPhone. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.